The liquid process agents are stored in a space-saving way in the drawer of the Miele Therm 10 Evolution. The cleaning agent and neutralizer are carried in a 5-litre container and the rinse aid in a 1-litre bottle. The Miele Therm process agents, which were exclusively developed to be used in a Miele Therm 10 Evolution, guarantee the best cleaning outcomes and minimum consumption. An insufficient filling level of a certain process agent causes a corresponding display message. In this case, please replace the process agent. The irritant nature of the agents requires that you wear personal protective equipment. To change the agents, unscrew the corresponding suction lance. Please insert the new container and screw the suction lance back on. We recommend starting the air removal program to ensure optimal metering of the process agents. In contrast to the neutralizer and cleaning agent, the rinse aid bottle is not replaced but refilled. Take the original packaging and fill 3/4 of the bottle. Finally, please start the air removal program again.